Hello people, welcome again to Wendy Style. We have this one of the most popular short haircut of this year, and this haircut, you can see they are haircut that is easy to style, and they are haircut that will instantly add volume and texture to your short hair. So if you're side of some patterns, maybe the side part or the middle part or the slant part, you will really enjoy this beautiful cut we have for you. So this haircut is perfect for adding volume and movement to your hair, and is a great option for women who really want a bit of length while still enjoying the ease of a shorter style. So I love this beautiful style, and have this at the back of your mind. Maybe when you're talking to your stylist, you can ask for this style or for those kind of styling where you will use those texture spray or texturizing mousse to enhance the natural waves or the curls. So it's a beautiful haircut that will enhance your natural beauty and shine. So these days, beautiful women are really embracing their natural curls with this cut you're seeing on the screen, and it's really a good way for you to show texture while you're still keeping your hair manageable. So it's a style that comes with some natural cut pattern with some slightly longer hair on top to give your curl room to form. So let me just allow you guys to watch this video to the end, and please try to use that curl enhancing cream or those eco professional styling gel to really define your curls and to also prevent frizz. If it's the first time here in Wendy Styles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. And please let us know your mind in the comment section below. I just want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. Stay locked to Wendy Style, because short natural hairstyles lives here, and we are here to bring the best of styles to you. See you guys in my next upload.